Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 31st July 2020 and your chapter 6 was going on. The name of the chapter is Social Responsibilities of Business and Business Ethics. Okay students, and this is your page number 1 of today's class. Students, in the last class I have started topic related some reality of social responsibility. Okay, in that topic I have explained 2 points on the previous class. Today I want to continue that points, next point also. So your topic was reality of social responsibility. Okay, लास्ट टॉपिक को ही हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ द थर्ड हेडिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोशल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर बिजनेस. स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो अबाउट द सिचुएशन ऑफ द बिजनेस नाउअडेज. आप एक अगर कस्टमर हैं, आप वहीं से गुड्स परचेज करना ज़्यादा अच्छा समझेंगे जो आपसे अच्छे से ट्रीट करे, ठीक है, एंड वो पूरी तरीके से आपको आफ्टर सेल सर्विस भी प्रोवाइड कराए इफ यू हैव रिक्वायर्ड देन. ओके, सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट टाइप ऑफ थिंग, डेवलपमेंट फॉर ऑफ सोशल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर बिजनेस इज ऑल्सो नेसेसरी. सो यू कैन राइट इट हियर. टुडे business enterprises are not allowed to operate just for money, full stop, according to new social standards, comma, business should also serve social needs in addition to achieving economic objective of profit. Okay, on the basis of this point you can also see it. If the business will provide the social services, if the business will provide the social needs, so after that their economic goal will be also achieved. Okay, so this is also necessary for the business nowadays. Okay, now next point number 4, development of business education. Okay, so listen, first see what will be right here. With the development of business education, comma, consumers, comma, investors, employees or owners have become more sensitive towards social issues. Educated businessmen have now become more aware of the social purpose, aware of the social purpose of business. Students, for the development of the business, okay, education is necessary. You know about the situation of the educated businessman. If the businessman is well educated, so that businessman will know about the situation for the development of their business. It means on the basis of their education, they have improved their mind for the purpose of the improvement of business. Educated businessman can think easily about the value of the social responsibilities, values of the social responsibilities. It means on the basis of the social responsibilities, how can the businessman can improve their business. So on the basis of the on the basis of the education, the business can also improve. Okay, clear students? Now next and last point. Okay, next and last point is a relationship between social interest and business interest. Okay, so business enterprises have started realizing that social and business interests are complementary and not contradictory to each other. It means if they perform their business relates from the serving of the society well, so on the basis of that type of the services, the businessman can stay in the market for a long time. So you will also write it here. They have also realized that long term, students page has been filled, so please turn over. Okay, this is your page number 2 of today's class. So in the last point, that long term benefit of business lies in serving the society well. Okay, it means on the basis of their services, on the basis of their social responsibilities, the business can run their business for a long time. Okay, so it is beneficial for the social responsibilities. It is benefits relates from the serving of the society. Okay, so students, it was your reality of social responsibilities. Okay, so now we will start the new topic of this chapter, and the topic is kinds of social responsibility. So look here, kinds of social responsibility. Okay, listen. The kinds of social responsibilities has been categorized as 4 types. Okay, so write it here also. Social responsibility of business can broadly be divided into following 4 categories. There are the 4 categories. On the basis of their categories, the social responsibilities has been divided. First category is based on the economic responsibility. Okay, so look here. Business enterprise is basically an economic entity. You know about that. I have started the business. When I have started the business, so I have told to you, the human beings are performing their 2 types of the activities. One is related on the economic and another is related on the non-economic. In the economic activity, there are the 3 types of the activity you will involve. First is business, second is profession, and third is employment. So it means on the basis of that type of the thing is, you can also tell it business is related on the economic activity, because the aim of the business is, the main aim, the basic aim of the business is to earn money, to earn profit. So on the basis of the economic responsibility, so now you will write it here, business enterprise is basically an economic entity, full stop. Therefore its primary social responsibility is to produce goods. Okay, to produce goods and services as per needs of the society. Okay, and to sell them at a profit. Because you know about that, the aim of the business is to earn profit. So without earning the profit, the businessman don't want to sold any type of the thing. Okay, therefore, or no, there is little discretion in performing this responsibility. Okay, it means that is the main objective, main aim of the business is to earn money. अगर आप कोई बिजनेस स्टार्ट करोगे तो आपका एम क्या होगा? सबसे पहला एम आपका ये होगा कि हम जो भी बिजनेस करें उसमें हमें क्या प्रॉफिट हो. बट हाउ? So how can you earn the profit? How can you provide the facilities to the customers? On the basis of the minimizing their cost. Okay, and eventually maximize profit. Cost जैसे reduce होगी, आपका profit automatic क्या earn होना शुरू हो जाएगा. Okay, so for example you will write here also example, business enterprise uses cost effective production techniques to minimize cost and eventually maximize profit. It means on the basis of their reducing cost, the business can earn the maximum amount of the profit. So it means on the basis of their economic responsibilities, it will be also fulfilled, and the society's related responsibilities, it means social responsibilities, has been also fulfilled because the businessman has performed their activities to minimize their cost. Okay, now second point, legal responsibility. Second point is legal responsibility, LIT, responsibility, RESPONSIBILITY. Okay, legal responsibility. Okay, you know about that, students. Each and every businessman has some legal framework. Okay, an enterprise which abides by law is considered as a social responsibility business. It means some types of the business is also based on the law. It means some types, as like you know about that, students. If you want to open any chemist shop, so for that type of the shop you have required the license. Okay, or you can also know about the child labor. There is a child labor act. As per this act, it is not possible as per the law restriction uh, for the child labor. Okay, so if the legal responsibilities has been also following by the businessman, so it is better for the improvement of the business. So in the legal responsibilities we will also write, it is the moral responsibility. It is the moral responsibility of business, responsibility of business enterprise to conduct enterprise to conduct business activities business activities within the legal framework. It means all the rules and regulations एक्सेप्ट करना क्या मैंडेटरी है. ओके, एन एंटरप्राइज which abides by law, comma, is considered as a socially responsible enterprise. It means when the organization will follow each and every type of the legal rules, so it is betterment for the enterprise also. So you will write it is considered as a socially responsible enterprise. Okay, for example, you can also write the example here. A business enterprise must not sell the smuggled goods. It means some goods are in the category of smuggled, so such type of the goods has not been sold out by the business enterprise or employ child labor in their factories to save cost. It means these are the legal responsibilities of any type of the business, and it is mandatory for each and every type of the business. So this is based on the legal responsibilities. Now next point, third point, is based on the ethical responsibility. So listen, students, ethical responsibility refers to moral obligations of a business enterprise full stop. It is not compulsory it is not compulsory for the business to assume ethical responsibility there is an element of voluntary action in performing this responsibility. For example, you can also write the example here also. One example: an enterprise must declare all ingredients of a product so that consumer is able to make an informed choice. Okay, so this is based on that type of the thing is based on the ethical responsibilities. If that type of the responsibilities has been followed by that person, so it means each and everything has been performed the ethical basis. Okay, clear? Last point is discretionary responsibility. Okay, this is the last responsibility. A business enterprise is responsible to make healthy business ventures and earn good profits, but at the same time it may spend a share of their profits towards development of society. Okay, and development of society. So that type of the thing is based on the discretionary responsibility. Okay, you can also write it as like a free education to lesser privileged section of society. Okay, or enterprises may open educational institution. Okay, so you will write it here. Example: enterprises may open educational institutions to provide free education to lesser privileged सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी. इट मीन्स जो भी हमारी सोसाइटी में ऐसे पर्सन हैं जो इतने कैपेबल नहीं हैं कि वो पढ़ाई करा सकें, तो उस तरह के बंदों को शिक्षा देने के लिए कोई एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन ओपन कर देना. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इज बेस्ड ऑन द डिस्क्रिशनरी responsibilities. Okay, so students, all the responsibilities has been finished here. Okay, so आज की क्लास में इतना ही. Okay students, if you have any doubt then you can also ask the query. Okay.